Hi all, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. I went to IKEA and I want to share with you all the new items I found at IKEA. These are the cute little cups, only 49 cents. So these are the pop-up colors of the pillows, and I like the chairs of this size. So they are $2.99 each. These are the teapots with the different colors and sizes. Small table lamp, it's only $10. So cute. And this is a toolbox. It's a different color. Um, and these are the some dividers. I like this color of the two color basket, so it's so pretty. And this is the bookshelf. I found so useful, but it is out of stock, but the price is very reasonable. And along with this we have the inserted box and the other item. This is a new item. I like this table and along with the chair. And this is the iPad stand, very useful one. You can just put it and you can adjust the size and height. So decorative jars along with the bowls. These are the glass, newly I found it. And this is a cutlery divider. I like the color of this chest. This is $500, $499. There is a new mirror. I found this one for the children. And these are the buckets I found in different shapes and sizes. Along with the lid, it is so these are other type of buckets along with the lids. And this is a cleaning kit with all the different attachments and the cloths. And this is a compost bin. These are the cute stools with the different colors. This is a lunch box, I think. So it is deep enough. This is so good. And the knife placeholder. I found so many different items. This is a glass jar set of only $8. These are the different bowls with the different colors. This is the freezer blocks, and different color glass sets. These are the few items I found newly. This is a deep freezer item. You can keep them. Any fridge separation items like these as shown in the picture. And as shown earlier, decorative jars on the counter. And this is one bottle along with the lid. We wanted to take some spoons and forks, so these are different color. I have seen a lot of different vessels are added here into IKEA. This is a bigger pot. This is small teapot. I saw this one very useful, very small one and a nice size. For two people this is enough. And this is the other pan, a ceramic coating. I like this one. How this is made up of all these things. It has given all the information. I like this one a lot with the color and the lid and all these things. These are the serving ware with the different colors of plates. I like this one too. These are the set of plates, 4 plates and different colors, gray color and all these things. These are already we have seen earlier. And this is the new bowls. I found it, the black one. They are cute. And different type of glass jars I found in the IKEA right now. So these are the items I purchased from IKEA. I want to purchase this one for indoor plants. So useful one. This is the other pan. We were already using it. We like it so much, so we purchased that one. I was mentioning, this is a non-stick ceramic coated pan, frying pan. This is a very good size. What we purchased so many items in IKEA. They are working so well from past so many years. So I want to try this out. And this is the kitchen towels. We were using it and they are so comfort. So and this is a spoon set. We were already using it as extra one. These are the microfiber towels. They are also very nice. And a spray bottle. This is a heating pad, so useful one, so I purchased this one again. Small steel water bottle, so I got this one too. And the scissor sets, they are also very sharp, so I purchased this one. And this is one freezer box. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.